tired of having your YouTube videos restricted by age? If so, then this video is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off age restriction on YouTube using an iPhone in just a few quick and easy steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app, and then make sure you're signed into your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Settings. Then tap General. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Restricted Mode. So if you have this turned on, go ahead and turn it off, and it will turn off age restriction on YouTube, and you will be able to watch any video without age restriction. If this method does not work for you, let's move on to the second method. To do that, let's go back to the YouTube homepage, and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says Manage your Google account, and then tap on Personal Info. Once you are on this tab, find your birthday. You might have entered your birthday incorrectly when creating your Google account, and that might be the reason why you are getting age restrictions on YouTube. To fix that, tap on your birthday and change it to your actual age, which is over 18 years old. Once you've done that, tap Save to simply save the changes, and now you can watch age-restricted videos on YouTube without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.